How important is your local bank? In Pontardawe, that's a topic on many tongues. Its branch of Lloyds Bank is due to close in November. Well, Lloyds told us that visits to this branch have declined in recent years and that more of its customers are choosing to use mobile or online banking. It argues that many of the services that are covered here are replicated in places nearby, but for campaigners, that's a poor alternative to what's going to be lost here.
Many of them are cash-only businesses and feel very strongly about that too. But, they don't want to be pushed to use electronic banking. That costs them more. And, the mitigation we've heard from Link when they were assessing this closure, they've said, well, that they can use post office counter services. That costs businesses. And then obviously for the residents around here, they just feel it's undermining their community. So the transport links aren't very good. Having to get to Neath or Swansea to get to the nearest bank isn't as easy as it would be in other communities, so it's having a really detrimental effect.
Lloyds say they will arrange for a community banker to visit the area. Exact days and locations are still to be determined. Many here want assurances at an unsettling time. A public meeting is due to be held later this week. Mike Griffiths, ITV News in Pontardawe.